We've all been there. It's the middle of the night, the world outside is silent, and you find yourself standing in the kitchen, bathed in the soft glow of the refrigerator light. Maybe you're restless, maybe you just finished a long day, or maybe you woke up with a craving you can't ignore. Whatever the reason, you're not alone. Midnight snacking is a universal experience. It's late, the house is quiet, and suddenly your stomach starts rumbling. The clock ticks past midnight, and you're faced with a familiar dilemma. Do you give in to your hunger, or do you try to tough it out until morning? Your mind races through the options, and your stomach isn't making it any easier. The midnight snack conundrum: willpower versus hunger. On one hand, you want to stick to your health goals, but on the other, the call of a quick snack is hard to resist. You stand there weighing your options, debating between a handful of chips or something more nutritious. The struggle is real, and it's one that plays out in kitchens everywhere, every single night. Most of us want simple, natural ways to manage our appetite and weight, without weird diets or expensive supplements. We crave solutions that fit into our real lives, not ones that require us to overhaul our routines or spend a fortune on the latest health trends. We want to feel good about our choices even when it's late and our willpower is running low. The search for health hacks can be exhausting, with conflicting advice everywhere. One article says to avoid eating after 8 p.m., another swears by intermittent fasting, and yet another promises that a certain superfood will change your life. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and frustrated, especially when you just want a straightforward answer to a simple question. What should I eat when I'm hungry at night? We just want something that works in real life, especially for that late-night hunger. Something that doesn't require a complicated recipe or a trip to a specialty store. Something that feels comforting, satisfying, and, most importantly, effective. Because at the end of the day, or rather at the end of the night, we all want to wake up feeling good about our choices. Poor snack choices at night can derail your health goals and leave you feeling guilty. It's all too easy to reach for cookies, chips, or leftover pizza only to regret it later. Not only can these choices disrupt your sleep, but they can also lead to unwanted weight gain and a cycle of late-night cravings that's hard to break. The guilt that follows can make you feel like you've failed, even when you're just trying to satisfy a basic need. So, what if instead of fighting the urge, you gave your body what it actually needs? Enter peanut butter. This isn't just a nostalgic treat from your childhood lunchbox, it's a surprisingly powerful ally in your quest for better health. Peanut butter is packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making it a satisfying and nourishing option when those late-night cravings hit. That humble spread from your childhood might be the tool you've been looking for. It's affordable, easy to find, and requires zero prep. Plus, it's delicious, creamy, nutty, and just the right amount of indulgent. But beyond the taste, peanut butter has some real science behind it when it comes to curbing hunger and supporting your body's natural rhythms. This isn't about deprivation, it's about smart nutrition. Instead of denying yourself, you're choosing a snack that works with your body, not against it. Peanut butter's combination of protein and healthy fats helps slow digestion, keeping you fuller for longer and preventing those blood sugar spikes that can disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling groggy in the morning. Imagine ending your day with a snack that not only satisfies your hunger but also works for you while you sleep. No more tossing and turning with a growling stomach. No more waking up feeling ravenous. Just a simple, comforting ritual that helps you wind down and prepare for a restful night. A snack that helps you rest better, wake up less hungry, and supports your body's natural fat burning. Studies have shown that eating a small amount of healthy fat and protein before bed can actually help regulate your metabolism overnight. Peanut butter, with its unique nutrient profile, can help stabilize your blood sugar, reduce nighttime cravings, and even support muscle repair while you sleep. The promise? 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter before bed. That's it. No complicated rules, no expensive supplements, just a simple spoonful of something you probably already have in your pantry. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel, both at night and the next morning. It sounds simple, but sometimes the best solutions are. The beauty of this habit is in its simplicity. You don't need to count calories, measure out ingredients, or follow a strict schedule. Just listen to your body, honor your hunger, and give yourself permission to enjoy a snack that's both satisfying and supportive of your health goals. We'll break down the science, the hormones, and the steps to make this habit work for you. Get your spoons ready, because we're about to dive into why this small nightly ritual could be the game changer you've been searching for. Whether you're a lifelong midnight snacker or just looking for a smarter way to handle late-night cravings, this is your invitation to rethink the midnight snack and finally make peace with your nighttime hunger. As the world outside quiets down and you prepare for bed, something remarkable happens inside your body. The moment you slip under the covers and close your eyes, your body's night shift begins. While you rest, your internal systems don't just shut off, they actually ramp up in a different way, working hard to repair, restore, and prepare you for the day ahead. Deep within, a symphony of hormones comes alive. Growth hormone and cortisol, two of the most important players, get to work behind the scenes. Growth hormone in particular is released in pulses during the deepest stages of sleep. Its job? To help your body repair tissues, build muscle, and even burn fat. This is why quality sleep is so crucial for anyone looking to recover from workouts or simply maintain a healthy body. When you get enough deep sleep, growth hormone helps you wake up feeling refreshed, stronger, and more energized. It's like your body's own overnight personal trainer, quietly working to sculpt and strengthen you while you dream. Meanwhile, cortisol, the hormone often called the stress hormone, should be at its lowest point during the night. This allows your body to fully relax, recover, and recharge. If cortisol stays high, it can keep your mind racing, make it hard to fall asleep, and even interfere with your body's ability to repair itself. High nighttime cortisol doesn't just disrupt sleep, it can also encourage your body to store more fat, especially around the belly. That's why managing stress and creating a calming bedtime routine is so important for both your sleep and your metabolism. What you eat before bed can have a big impact too. If you reach for sugary snacks or simple carbs late at night, your blood sugar can spike and then crash, causing you to wake up in the middle of the night or feel restless. These blood sugar swings can also trigger more cortisol, making it even harder to get quality rest. On the other hand, going to bed hungry isn't the answer either. An empty stomach can signal your body to release more cortisol, as if you're under stress. This can make it tough to fall asleep and stay asleep, leaving you groggy and irritable in the morning. The goal is to find a balance, a snack that provides a steady, slow-release source of energy. Complex carbohydrates paired with healthy fats or protein can help keep your blood sugar stable all night long, supporting your body's natural repair processes and keeping those important hormones in check. Choosing the right nighttime snack can make all the difference. It can help your body repair itself, stabilize your blood sugar, and promote the release of good hormones that support restful sleep and a healthy metabolism. Think of it as fueling your body's night crew, giving them exactly what they need to do their best work. But if you choose the wrong snack, something high in sugar or processed carbs, it can disrupt your sleep, throw your hormones out of balance, and leave you feeling tired, sluggish, and craving more sugar the next day. So when it comes to nighttime eating, remember, you want a food that burns slow and steady, nourishing your body through the night and keeping your body's night crew happy, healthy, and ready for another day. Let's examine the peanut. Technically a legume, but nutritionally, it acts like a nut, packed with protein, healthy fats, and key amino acids. Peanuts are a perfect delivery system for nighttime nutrition. The protein provides amino acids for overnight muscle repair. More muscle means a higher metabolism. Healthy fats digest slowly, keeping you full and your blood sugar stable. Peanuts also contain tryptophan, which helps your body make serotonin and melatonin for better sleep. Arginine in peanuts may boost growth hormone. In one spoonful, muscle-building protein, steady energy, and sleep-promoting amino acids. It's a multi-talented food for your nighttime needs. Let's break down why peanut butter works so well at night. Protein, healthy fats, and tryptophan. Protein is slow digesting, providing a steady supply of amino acids for muscle repair and satiety. Healthy fats, slow digestion, keeping blood sugar stable and hunger at bay. Stable blood sugar means fewer stress hormones and better sleep. Tryptophan is the precursor to serotonin and melatonin, helping you relax and fall asleep. This trio supports overnight repair, keeps you full, and helps you sleep soundly. A spoonful of peanut butter before bed triggers a beneficial hormonal chain reaction. Protein and fat boost GLP-1, a hormone that suppresses appetite and keeps you feeling full. Peanut butter's low glycemic index means minimal blood sugar spikes and low insulin release. Low insulin at night allows growth hormone to work and encourages fat burning. Stable blood sugar and satiety keep cortisol low, supporting restful sleep and a healthy metabolism. This simple snack helps you rest, repair, and burn fat overnight. What does the science say? Studies show peanuts and peanut butter can lower blood sugar spikes and increase satiety hormones. Pre-sleep protein boosts overnight muscle repair and may increase morning metabolism. Even a small amount of protein from peanut butter helps, especially if you're not getting enough during the day. Tryptophan in peanuts supports serotonin and melatonin production for better sleep. The combination of stable blood sugar and calming amino acids sets you up for deep, uninterrupted rest. Not all peanut butters are created equal. To get the benefits, you need to pick the right one. Check the ingredients. The best peanut butter has just peanuts, maybe a little salt. Avoid added sugars, hydrogenated oils, and palm oil. Natural peanut butter may separate, just stir the oil back in. Store it in the fridge to keep it from separating again. Creamy or crunchy, your choice. Nutritionally, they're nearly identical. The key is to make this a habit you enjoy, so pick the one you'll look forward to eating. Remember, simple ingredients are best. Ready to start? Here's how to make it a habit. Have your tablespoon of peanut butter 30-60 minutes before bed. Portion control is key. 1 level tablespoon, about 9,100 calories. Use a measuring spoon at first to avoid overdoing it. Eat it straight from the spoon or spread it on a small apple slice or whole grain cracker. Avoid pairing with sugary foods or bread. Make it part of your wind-down routine. Read, listen to music, or stretch while you enjoy it. Consistency is important. Try to do it at the same time every night. The only way to truly discover if this simple experiment can make a difference in your life is to give it a genuine try. You might have heard about the benefits, or maybe you're just curious, but nothing beats first-hand experience. This is your opportunity to see real results, tailored to your own body and routine. Here's your 7-night challenge. For the next week, take 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, about 30 to 60 minutes before you head to bed. Do this every single night without making any other changes to your usual habits or routines. No need to overhaul your diet, start a new exercise plan, or change your bedtime. Just this one, simple addition. As you go through the week, pay close attention to how you feel. Track your sleep quality. Did you fall asleep faster, wake up less, or feel more rested in the morning? Notice your morning hunger levels and any changes in your breakfast cravings. Are you less ravenous, or do you feel more satisfied and balanced? Each morning, take a moment to jot down a few notes. Write about how well you slept, how easy it was to wake up, and how hungry you feel before breakfast. Even a quick note or a rating from 1 to 10 can help you spot patterns and changes. At the end of the week, sit down and compare your notes from before and after the challenge. Look for any improvements in your sleep, your mood, or your appetite. Sometimes the changes are subtle, but they can add up to a big difference over time. You might be surprised by the difference a single tablespoon can make. Many people notice they sleep more soundly, wake up feeling refreshed, and have fewer cravings in the morning. For many, this simple habit becomes a game changer for both sleep and appetite. It's a small step that can lead to bigger improvements in your overall well-being, energy, and even your relationship with food. So, why not give it a shot? Grab a jar, grab a spoon, and give your body the nighttime support it deserves. Sometimes the simplest changes can have the most profound effects. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, starts tonight.